Mr. G, and I'm going to show you another fun arpeggio shape you can do for a major arpeggio. Now I'm tuned down a half step, but I'm playing a G major arpeggio, and this is a movable shape. Now, the major arpeggio is made up of your first, third, and fifth. So for a G major arpeggio, I'll be playing the G, which is the first, the B, which is the third, and the D, which is the fifth. And let me show you this pattern really slowly. And this is how it works, okay? I'm going to start with the root note on the 15th fret of the 6th string with my little finger and play that G, which would be the first. Then I'm going to use my ring finger on the 14th fret of the 5th string and play the third, which is the B. And then I'll play the 5th, which is a D, with my index finger on the 12th fret of the 4th string. So like this. Then I slide it down here, and I'm going to play the first again, which is on the 4th string of the 5th fret with my ring finger, which is the G. Then I'll play the third with my middle finger here on the 3rd string, 4th fret. I'll play that B. Then I play that 5th, which is on the 1st string, 3rd fret with my index finger. I play that D. And then I slide up here, and I'll play the first again, that G, with my middle finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. Then on the 1st string with my index finger, I play the B, which is the 3rd. Then I'll play the 5th with my little finger on the 10th fret of the 1st string, that D. Then I'll slide down and I'll end it on the 1st, which is the G. So the 3rd fret of the 1st string with my index finger, I play that G. So this is fun because it's kind of all over the fretboard, right? So I'll start up here with the root again. 15th fret, 6th string, my little finger, I play that G. I'll just kind of go through that whole pattern for you real slowly. Hey again, Mr. G. Hope you enjoy that major arpeggio pattern. And again, keep on jamming.